Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix local security authority is off on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix local security authority is off, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you want to click on start menu, then type here Windows security. You can see here Windows security, just click on this. After that you can see here device security, just click on this. Under this core isolation, if you find any local security and authority protection, you just need to enable that option. After enabling, just close this window and restart your PC. Still the issue persists, then you can try the second method. Just click on the start menu, then type here regedit. Click on register editor, click on yes. Here you can see here HP local machine, double click and expand. After that you will find system, double click and expand. After that you will find current control set, double click and expand. After that you can see here control, double click and expand. After that you have to find LSA, you can see here LSA, just click on that. Here you need to find run as PPL. If you find that run as PPL, you just need to open that and you have to change the value from 0 to 1. After that just close this window and restart the PC and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. Again you have to click on the start menu, then type here policy. You can see here edit group policy, just click on this. Click on computer configuration. After that you have to click on administrative templates. After that you have to expand that one. In this you have to click on the systems, double click and expand. After that you have to find local security authority. If you find any local security authority, just click on that. After that in right section you will find configure LSASS. You just need to double click that one and click on enable. After enabling, click on apply, then click OK. After doing this, you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix local security authority is off on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.